Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope everybody's having a great week. Alright, today we're going to be talking about UXPlay. It is an open source AirPlay software like you would have on the MacBook between your iPhone and your MacBook, or your iPad and your MacBook, to be able to mirror your screen. Well, they now have an open source version where if you have an iPhone, you can mirror it to your Linux desktop. And it doesn't matter which version you have, it'll work. We're on Fedora 44 today. And I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. Very easy to start. Drop over my screen here. And if we want to make a tutorial for our grandmother or friends, or if we're a teacher, developer, creator, and we want to be able to show our iPhone on a video, there it is. I'm going to show you how to install this, how to use it. It only takes a few minutes and it is free. So anyway, y'all hang around. I'll show you how to do it. All right, so we've got my iPhone ready, so we're on the same Wi-Fi network as my desktop. I guess I need to show one of these days the wireless adapter I have for my desktop computer. It works really well. And here is the UXPlay GitHub page, and I will list everything in the description. There's a lot of text speak here, but they have created a piece of software that's very powerful. So anyway, we're going to open up the terminal and we're going to type out sudo dnf install UXPlay. It's going to load it up. I'm going to say yes. That's all there is to it. So all you do to start it is type out UXPlay. It opens up the socket, starts the server. All right, now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to record my screen because I don't have a top-down camera shot. So I'm going to hit the button. All right, so we are recording our screen, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the streaming or the screen mirroring icon. And down here at the bottom, UX Fedora or UXPlay at Fedora. Hit it. And there we are. Just that quick. And I'm going to stop the recording now. Here we are, and you can see the icon up here at the top. And let's say I want to show somebody a tutorial without recording my screen, where I can show myself and I can show my Garmin. We can show how to do things. Let's say you're showing your grandmother how to do things on an iPhone. You can make a neat video on how to do that. Let's see, what else can we do? You know, we could show photos, show a slideshow on it. And you see how quick it is. There's no lag, you know, because we're on the same network. So if you're a teacher, developer, creator, and you want to do something like this, I mean, it works great. You can go full screen with it if you want to. Very handy, and you don't have to have a MacBook to do this. And one other thing, it's free. So you don't have to pay a MacBook tax for this. And to stop it, all we have to do is go back to the screen mirroring app. See it there in the blue? We'll hit the button. And all we have to do is hit that, and it's gone. And to start it back up, all we have to do is go back to the terminal, hit UXPlay. So there you have it, another way to use Linux and an iPhone. It's pretty cool. I like to be able to do that. I love my MacBook, but they're getting more and more expensive, and everything's closed on it. You know, nothing's open source very much anymore. And I like being able to use my Linux machine. There we go. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified if you got something out of it. If you use a different software to do the same thing, let me know. You know, I use local send on my iPhone to send stuff to my Linux machines. That works good. But this one's pretty neat to be able to make a little tutorial video or whatever. I hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.